Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin immediately by working with slightly damp hair so clips hold without slipping. Once done, gather 3 small snap or alligator clips and open them. This prevents tugging. Use your comb to lift a narrow 1/2-inch section at the crown and position the clip horizontally, teeth down, to anchor the first point. You're creating a foundation. Make sure the clip grips roots, not just surface strands, because that initial placement controls how secure the rest of the style will be. You continue by moving outward from the anchor, taking small 1/4 to 1/2-inch sections so each clip overlaps the previous slightly. This builds a stable base. Make sure you press the clip teeth toward the roots to grab hair close to the scalp. That's why short hair stays put. Once positioned, close firmly and alternate clip directions for balance. This prevents bunching. As you go, check angles in a mirror to ensure even distribution and natural shape. You finish by blending the top layer and using a light hold product to tame flyaways without weighing hair down. Once done, test the style by moving your head. If you feel looseness, add or reposition 1 to 2 clips at the trouble spots. Make sure to dry any damp roots or mist with texture spray if clips slip, because grip comes from friction at the scalp. If pins still fail, reposition closer to the root and retest until secure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.